what do you imagine about this picture? Do you imagine that you will be one of these two persons and you feel very bored during working life? Then how will we avoid this? By performance appraisal. Now, first we will introduce about the reasons for making objective and subjective appraisals. For me, I'm the first presenter. My name is Sing Kai Zing.
And I am Dak Mehan. I'm the presenter number 2.
Okay. Next, I will talk about this is our preview. It's about contents of our presentations. First introductions. For me, I will talk about object appraisals. For my friends, talk about objective appraisal. Okay. For the introductions, what's performance appraisal? Performance appraisal is like assessing an employee performance, providing him or her feedback, and this performance appraisal is evaluated by this management professor Samuel Kerber. And I will talk about object appraisals. And the definition of object appraisal is first, is result oriented. It's all based on result. So whether company is based on what the people contribute to the companies, and all is about fact and empiricals. Then the reasons of this objective appraisal is first, they always measure result and achieve high target. If people didn't have any high targets, they will lack of motivation to work. And for different personal traits, for one, people very hardworking, and for one, people very lazy, but they contribute the same profit to the companies. Therefore, the company only evaluate the profit and shareholder values, and no matter, not based on their personal traits. Okay, next, they will measure their abilities and make specific targets. For people that have a specific target, they will have very strong motivation to work. And this object appraisal is harder to be traced legally because it's not subjective, it all based on objective. And for the people who are capable and have a high ability, the company will hire them to be the high positions in the companies, and because they are capable and they can contribute more to the companies. And for I have finished my audit appraisals. Next, I will introduce my friends for about the subject appraisals. Next, my teammate Rehan from
Okay, thank you for passing for explaining about objective appraisal. So I hope you guys can digest what is objective appraisal. And now, let me introduce you about subjective appraisal. Okay, so first, what is subjective appraisal? You guys heard about it. It's totally different with objective appraisal. Objective appraisal is more result-oriented, while subjective appraisal is measure something that you cannot touch, intangible, we say. So subjective appraisal is one type of performance appraisal based on trait and also behaviors. So for trait aspect, we can measure two things: physical and psychological. Physical trait we can say about our physical appearance, while psychological traits can say about our emotions. And next, for behaviors, it's more on attitude and action. So next, I will talk about why we have to do subjective appraisal. There is two main reasons. First, from trait aspect, subjective appraisal helps us to fit easily in the workplace. How can we see that? I will give you an example. For example, we can do subjective appraisal on our physical appearance. We can do improvement of our physical appearance by dress up ourselves to be smart, look smarter, and this will make our colleagues to approach us more easily and also make us to feel fresh to work. And this will then enhance our working efficiency. So this is how subjective appraisal can help us to enhance our working efficiency. So next, for behavior aspect, subjective appraisal trains us to be disciplined and responsible by applying behaviorally anchored rating skill. Behavioral rating skill BAS is a rating skill that measures our specific behaviors. For example, we can do a 5 points bar rating skill about our attendance to work. From 1 point, very late for work to find points very early to work. So by this, we train us to be punctual to our work. So to summarize, objective appraisal have two main reasons for us to do it. One is set up specific target and also pursue higher target or result. This means that objective appraisal is more on something that you can measure and also result oriented. For subjective appraisal, it's more on you have to imagine. For example, discipline and responsibility is something that we cannot measure by new number. Okay. So conclusion. Do you guys know who it is? This is Bill Gates, a very famous and success IT engineer. But it is also the success businessman at the same time. And he said before, in business, the idea of measuring what you are doing, picking the measurements that count like customer satisfaction and performance, you trade on that. This means that in order to success in our business, we have to measure something, especially for customer satisfaction and performance. And here, I have to emphasize performance. So same for us, if we want to success in our life or during our working, we have to measure our performance. How? By performance appraisal. So as conclusion, performance appraisal not only improve our job performance, but also upgrade ourselves at the same time. So from today, start your own performance appraisal to help you get an interesting working life. Thank you.
Thank you.